Machini waranjo weche mag tuke alam ne mosenindo jatugo machon mar volleyball e Malkia Strikers Janet Wanja obagi kawuono e lap makasarani. Wanja chocha nowito ngimane bang' kedo gi tuo mar kansa. Joloso e nyasi noywago Wanja kaka jalo manohero oganda kendo nochiwo chunye ne kanisa manoleme ka giwacho ni tho mare onego chuny oganda mathoth. Wanja kiny nokowe kar yweyo mare mogik e nyasi ma bende jok ma ogwel kende imibiro yienegi chope. Janet Wanja otho ka ojahigni 40.
You are the other side of me. You cheered me on all my games, celebrated my wins, and supported me at my lowest. I am really honored to be with you, even as you took your last breath. I don't know how I'm going to live this life without you, but I'm certain that you're waiting on the other side. In heaven, smiling and laughing. Thank you for loving my children so selflessly. Thank you for always being there for us as your siblings and being there for Mom.
It's been a long...
Napoteza mtu very close to me. The very first time. My heart is broken. She's my twinnie. I miss her. We used to fight a lot. Even the teammates will think like we will never speak again. Like tunapigana vibaya sana. Due to same position, we are fighting for the position, nani atacheza, nani atakuwa nje. So all that ugedhani maybe we've become enemies, but it was not possible.